Welcome to Curie Electronics. In this video, we are going to learn how to use XOR gate as buffer and inverter. So let's start with the XOR gate truth table. Y is the output. So this is a 2-input XOR gate. So for 2 inputs, we will have 4 combinations: 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now for XOR gate, will be high, the output is going to be high whenever the inputs are different. That is 0, 1, 1, 0. And what is the equation for output? A B bar or A bar B. So this is the truth table for XOR gate, and we know whenever inputs are different, we are getting high. Now let's realize buffer and inverter with the XOR gate. What is a buffer? Buffer means to increase the current, but logic should remain same. A buffer, let me write buffer. Buffer. Write it properly. Let me write it properly. Buffer. A buffer means our current output current increases, but the logic should remain same. That means if you give low, this is the input and this is the output. If you give low here, we should get a low here. And if you give high here, as in the input, if you give high, we should get at the output also we should get high. So logic should not change. Now how to realize this buffer using OR gate? So we are having the OR gate. To use it as a buffer, what we do? One of the inputs of the OR gate, OR gate simple. Okay, one of the inputs of the OR gate we have to connect to the ground or 0 volt, and the other input is A. To this A we are going to give high or low. That is, the input can change high or low. Why? So now A, we have only one variable. The other input of the XOR gate is connected to ground, that is 0 volt. Then what is the output Y? Let's see. If we give logic high means TTL, we can take it as 5 volt. If we give logic high, what is going to be our output? It is going to be high. Why? As per the XOR gate truth table, when both the inputs are different, we are going to get high output. If it is low, if A is low, then what we get? We get low, because both the inputs are at 0 volt. So this is how you realize the buffer. Then what about the inverter? Inverter. See, inverter, if you have an inverter, what happens? This is an inverter. This is the output and input. If we give low, we should get high. And if we give high, we should get low. This is the function of inverter. We have to get a complemented output. That means if we give 0, we should get 1 at the output, and if we give 1, we should get 0 at the output. Now let's see how to realize using XOR gate. So here what I will do, one of the input of the XOR gate I will connect to logic high. 5 volt means a logic high. And the other input I will feed the input. This input A, this is the input here, okay. That will be coming from another digital circuit. Now Y is the output. Let's see what is the output. Now our one input is fixed at 5 volt. So only one input we have, that is A. Y is the output. If I give high, what do I get? If A equal to high means A is connected to 5 volt, logic high. Then if both the inputs are high for XOR gate, then we will get 0 of the output. That means we are getting low. If you give low, what happens? The other input is at high for XOR gate. So the inputs are different. So we will get 5 volt, or you can say it is high. So what you are getting? You are getting a inverted signal at the output. So this is how you use inverter as use XOR gate as inverter and XOR gate as buffer. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Also share with your friends. Thanks for watching.